Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can gift VIP and custom makeup to your friends on Roblox. So, for instance, it's your friend's birthday or something and they like this game and you just want to give them VIP or the custom makeup. So, you're just going to hit the shop button here and go to either custom makeup or VIP or both and select the gift icon and select the person you want to gift it to. They have to be inside of the server you're in, so make sure they're there. You're going to again select this, select the gift, and you're going to select gift here. And that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!